Hi friends, welcome to the world of Materia Medica. Today I would like to give the information about the medicine sepia. Sepia is from the ink of cattlefish. Sepia is known for the woman's remedy. In this video, we will see how we can find a sepia patient. If you can able to find a sepia, means the sepia patient, you can cure her mental diseases and as well as the physical diseases. The mental diseases, especially the sadness and anger. CPR remedy is often given to the women in a various situations, especially in menopause, pregnancy, for hormonal imbalances. Today, we will find out what we have to check in case taking to find CPR. Believe me, the homeopathy is not just a science, it is an art. The more you put art, more you get success, and you make the homeopathy success. First, we will see the physical state. The very first step is the looking. Yes, is the look. How she is looking. Does she is look like this woman? The parallel body with yellow shaded cheeks, dark hair, and then check the sitting position. Does she is sitting like this? Tight, leg close or cross position? If she is sitting tight like cross position, you can directly ask her uterus issues. Or if any patient shares about her uterus issues, you must check her sitting position. CPR is the best remedy, works very well on uterus issues. Like there is a ball feeling in uterus or the uterus pulling down sensation, pain in a uterus like bearing down pain, and also works in vagina dryness, especially during intercourse. And you can check another physical symptoms like palpitation, not because of any exertion or any walk, and nausea in morning time, often congestion in chest, and last important physical symptom in CPR is Sepia is a chilled woman. Yes, she catches the cold very easily. Before explain about sepia mental state, I would like to tell something about sepia and pulsatilla. Many people confuse in sepia and pulsatilla, especially in physical appearance. That's why some people try one after another without checking other symptoms of sepia and pulsatilla. And it is a big mistake to give pulsatilla or leukisses before and after CPR. And some doctors blindly prescribing pulsatilla mother tincture in irregular periods or in PCOD PCOS, which is also a big mistake. The pulsatilla mother tincture should not give alone. It should with ashoka or combinations with other remedies. Pulsatilla aggressively works to bleed. This aggressive bleeding can be till more than 20 days. In that case, you can use China 1M to stop the bleeding forcefully. Otherwise, the patient will go into emergency situation. Now we will check the CPR mental state. The first question to find the mental state of CPR, what do you like in food? CPR says, I like pickles more. Then check rest of mental symptoms. Actually, it is very easy to check CPR mental state because CPR is from fish in the water, and CPR woman more in the water means CPR patient is a washer woman. Yes, as I told you, CPR is known as washer remedy. पानी में ज़्यादा काम करने वाली वुमेन, जैसा कि कपड़े बर्तन घर आंगन धोने वाली औरत. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीज़न शी विल बी सैड, एंगर, डिप्रेस्ड ऑन हर लव्ड वंस, स्पेशली हर हस्बैंड एंड किड्स. जिनको चाहती है उसी से बेजार हो जाने वाली औरत. Mostly you find CPR patient in traditional families. Another main symptoms are excess of weeping tendency, cry before talking even for small issues. CPR don't like to stay alone, and at same time CPR don't like to stay with more people. The most and important symptom is she feels bad in rest position and good after exercise. CPR common problems, or you can say CPR clinical usage. Constipation in pregnant women. Yes, it will work very well in pregnant women for constipation. You can give it to the pregnant women who vomit from food smell. You can try CPR or Epicock in pregnant women for nausea and vomiting. Any type of menopause complaints. Yes, this remedy is the biggest and first remedy in menopause complaints. Herpes at upper part of body, especially around the ears. Yellow color is marked in this medicine. Either yellow color patches spot on skin or yellow color mucus and yellow color conjunctivitis. And for sure, it's great remedy in hormonal imbalance and irregular periods. CPR is not only for women. CPR works in men and children too. Like you can give CPR for bedwetting. The bedwet soon after the sleep. CPR works very well in headache, especially with chilled vertex. If the headache with hot vertex, so you can prescribe sulfur, graphite or calcarea. Now the doses is depends on the case to case. Generally, the CPR 200 is famous to cure all type of mental diseases and as well as the physical diseases. If you like to know more about the doses, you can make a comment in a comment box. If you like this video, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you. Bye.